Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites so the fix applies. First, verify Windows build 19041 or later, and that your GPU advertises DirectX 12 Ultimate. This matters because software flags depend on OS and hardware. Next, open Device Manager and note the GPU model, then download the latest vendor driver. Once done, enable Secure Boot and update the motherboard BIOS if updates exist. This prevents firmware blocking feature flags. Now move to driver installation and feature verification. You'll perform the critical middle steps. Do a clean driver install using the in safe mode to remove stale drivers, then install the latest driver package from the GPU vendor. After installation, run DXdiag and examine display devices feature levels to confirm 12.2 or 12.3 support. That proves DirectX availability. If the feature still appears disabled, you may edit registry keys that control D3-D12 feature toggles. Do this only precisely and back up the registry first, because a mistake can break graphics. You'll finish by validating and troubleshooting. Reboot and run DXdiag again, then test with a known DirectX 12 Ultimate demo or supported game to confirm features like ray tracing and variable rate shading are active. If problems appear, roll back the driver or BIOS to a previous stable version and retest. Make sure Windows optional updates and GPU vendor hotfixes are installed. If none of this works, contact the GPU vendor support with logs. That single troubleshooting tip often uncovers hidden compatibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.